Namaste students, welcome to our social science class. In the previous class, we learned the lesson Who is a Hero? Yes, this is block 14 and we learned in 14.1 about the real heroes. We learned about people like Medha Patkar who fought for the rights of women, farmers, laborers and tribals. She started the Narmada Bachao Andolan. We learnt about Nelson Mandela, who was the leader of the people in South Africa. We learnt about the schoolgirl Greta Thunberg, who was protesting against climate change. Yes, she is protesting. We learnt about Jadav Malaipang, who turned the barren land into a forest, hence called the Forest Man of India. In today's class, we are going to learn about social reformers of India. On your screen, you see one of the greatest social reformers of our country. He is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy fought against sati. It was an evil practice where the women were burnt alive when their husband was dead in the same fire. So he changed this evil practice. He banned this evil practice. If not for him, this practice would have continued and many ladies would have been burnt like this. So let's learn more about the social reformers of India.
Today
We will learn about the social reformers of India who tried to bring about change in society. This will help you learn how society was many years ago.
keep
Keywords reforms. What are reforms? Important changes to solve a problem in society. Sati, a Hindu practice whereby a woman would join her dead husband on the funeral pyre. Widow, a widow whose husband is dead. So let's learn this reforms once again. The word reforms, important changes to solve a problem in society. Sati, a Hindu practice whereby a woman would join her dead husband on the funeral pyre. Widow, a woman whose husband is dead.
okay. Step
So it is very important to read the lesson. Social Reformers of India, lesson 2. All of you read this. This is from, your content book. After reading, now let's watch this video.
During the 17th and 18th century, women in India often had to burn themselves on their husband's pyre. Girls were denied education for a long time. Some people wanted to solve these problems, and they brought about important changes to society.
Let's summarize the answers now. Okay.
Who were some of the social reformers and what did they do? Each social reformer worked on an important issue in Indian society. Some worked for equal rights for women and some for the education of women. Some worked to remove old practices from society. Now let us read this table. It has important information here. Reformers' names on the left and what were their efforts. What was their contribution to the society? What reforms did they bring on the right? First of all, let us read the first reformer, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, he had efforts that led to women's education, declaring sati illegal, Brahma Samaj. Raja Ram Mohan Roy struggled hard to see that the women were educated, and he also declared that sati, the evil practice of sati, where the ladies are burnt, okay, wives are burnt if the husband is dead, okay, he declared it as illegal. And he also started Brahma Samaj. Next reformer, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. He set up many schools for girls and he wanted widows to remarry. Okay. Then Dayanand Saraswati, he was the one who started Arya Samaj and he like he wanted women to get educated. Sir Syed Ahmed Khan, he was the one who started Aligarh Muslim University and he believed that women should be educated. Okay, copy this table in your social classwork. Let's move on. Why were social reforms important for society? Many years ago, there were numerous problems in society. There were many problems. Women were not treated equally. They were also denied an education. Okay, women were considered something low and they were not allowed for education. Hindu women had to commit sati. If the social reformers had not acted against these problems, our society would have remained backward and women would continue to be treated unequally. Because of these reformers, we are like this today. Otherwise, we would face such evil practices even today. What in our society needs to reform today and why? Is there any evil practice that you see around you? That is the question. Do you see anything like that which has to be changed? Why?
Let
It would be good if we didn't have caste system. Okay? It would be good if we didn't have the caste system in our country because it creates division among people. Women are still denied the opportunities enjoyed by men. We could bring some reforms to change the way people view women. Right? So, caste system and women should be still treated equally, given the same opportunities, equal opportunities, and the way the people look at view women, it should be changed. Now, all of you open your worksheet, put today's date. Okay, fill in the blanks using words from the brackets. A. Dash established the Aligarh Muslim University. Was it Raja Ram Mohan Roy or Sir Syed Ahmed Khan? Yes, it was Sir Syed Ahmed Khan. Write this in the blank. B. Dash founded the Brahma Samaj. Raja Ram Mohan Roy or Dayanand Saraswati. Raja Ram Mohan Roy is the right answer. C. Dash founded the Arya Samaj. Raja Ram Mohan Roy or Dayanand Saraswati. Dayanand Saraswati is the correct answer. D. Dash set up the first school for girls. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar or Sir Syed Ahmed Khan. It was Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Now there is a passage here. We'll read it and we'll answer the questions that follow. Janaki got married in 1825 when she was only 10 years old. She never went to school because girls were not allowed to go to school in those days. After a few years of her marriage, her husband died and she became a widow. For the rest of her life, she remained a widow and could not earn her livelihood. Okay, this is the story. 10-year-old girl is married. She did not attend the school because she was not allowed because she is a girl. She was married when she was 10-year-old and her husband dies and she becomes a widow. And for the rest of the life, she doesn't have any livelihood. She can't do any job or earn her salary. Question 2. Write 2 ways in which Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar could have helped women like Janaki lead a better life. Okay, if Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar knew about such girl called Janaki who got married early and who did not have an education, who became a widow, how could Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar help her? Okay, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar would have sent this girl to school to get her education. Okay, if her education completes, okay, if she's done with her education, he would have seen that she goes and earns her livelihood. And because she became a widow at very early age, he would have got her married to someone else. Right? Now let us move to third question. Why were Raja Ram Mohan Roy's efforts to remove Sati important for someone like Janaki? See, Raja Ram Mohan Roy was the person who declared that Sati is illegal. That was the dangerous practice being followed. Okay, in Janaki's case, if this practice was still it continued, then Janaki would have been sent to burn herself. She would have been forced to burn herself. Just because Raja Ram Mohan Roy, he has put his efforts, he made some reforms in the society against this sati system. Now people like Janaki or any young widows, they are saved from this. So it was really great for Raja Ram Mohan Roy. His struggle we have to remember, right? His effort and contribution we will remember. Right, now let us open our content book.
Okay.
Put today's date next to the practice questions. First question, fill in the blanks with the words from the brackets. A. Dash worked on education for Muslims. Raja Ram Mohan Roy or Syed Ahmed Khan? It was Syed Ahmed Khan. B. Dash set up schools for girls and got a law passed that women can marry again. That was Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Dash fought to remove a social evil practice called sati. Was it Sir Syed Ahmed Khan or Raja Ram Mohan Roy? Yes, it was Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Second question, why was the work of social reformers important? Work of social reformers is important to remove the evil practices and bring about a change in society. Okay, the work of social reformers is important to remove the evil practices and bring a better change in the society. Third question, write about one bad practice that still exists in our society. Okay, suggest one way to end this practice. So, what is that bad practice which is being practiced even today in our society? Even today in the society, we find such evil practices like the caste system, wherein the discrimination is shown among people, right? And it would be better if people stopped mentioning this caste. And other thing is that corruption. Everywhere there is corruption, bribing, uh, and still women don't get equal opportunities, and the way the people view women should be changed. We have to bring some reforms to change these situations. So uh, see, I asked you to read the lesson. You should do that. Read the lesson 2 times from the content book, underline new words. I asked you to copy one table in the social classwork. Do it. Answer your workbook, answer your questions in the content book. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.